Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove your profile picture on Gmail. If you've decided it's time for a change or simply want to go without a picture, you're in the right place. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This will bring up a menu where you need to select Manage your Google account. Next, tap on your profile picture once again. You'll then see an option to Change at the bottom right. Here's where the magic happens. You can either select a new photo from your gallery or take a brand new one with your camera. Once you've added a new image, tap Next at the bottom. Don't forget to set it as your profile picture by tapping Set as Profile Picture. Finally, to confirm your decision and completely remove the old image, you'll need to tap Remove once more. And that's it. Your profile picture has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.